So I want to give you a military hack. This is going to blow your mind. It's going to save you money. It's quite possibly the best military hack ever recorded. A little bit of backstory. I like to party. So we'd go somewhere, you get dropped off in your dress whites in a specific country or a specific place, and you're going to go party. So you go out on the town in some new country, you're buying these exotic drinks. It might be a blue drink, might be a red drink, might be coffee, might be a hot dog, probably a hot dog, definitely mustard. You're gonna come back to the ship looking like a sack of ass. All different kinds. Dress white looks like a rainbow. Bouquet of colors, flavors, and smells. So what do? You just spent the money you had at the bar. Let's just say this, I didn't dry clean those dress whites for like 2 years, the last 2 years of my Navy life. So what you do, you gotta hand wash your dress whites. Get them completely freaking soaked. You throw those dress whites into a salt water, like a bucket of salt water or the ocean. Jump in the ocean in them. They clean off like that and they get super white. So use that salt water, baby. You're gonna be around it non-stop. Just use it. Get a nice hanger. I would get 2 hangers, because with 2 hangers, you won't have that point on your shirt, you know? It'll kind of give you a rounded, curved shoulder. Hang it up. Go to Home Depot, go to Lowe's, go to Walmart. Get some rubber-tipped clamps. You can go mid-size or even big ones. Not too big. I had really a lot of success with like the ones that are, that big. You want to put 3 at the front, side, middle, side, and then maybe a couple in the back as well. Same thing, a couple clamps in the back. And then you have your little frilly overhang, the thing that goes in the back. It's like a hood that's missing half of its material. And put 2 on each side, or you can even do 3 clamps on that. And by the end of it, you're just gonna have this like super draped up white uniform. And give it a day or 2, and that sucker will be dry, and it'll be crisp. You won't believe it. Like, no wrinkles whatsoever. Strategically place those clamps though. Fuck. Same with the pants. Hang them on one side maybe, and then just put some really strong clamps on both pant leg, maybe 2 or 3 per pant leg. Line them out so the crease can stay consistent, and then it'll hang. And you'll have perfectly straight pants a couple days. So, it might seem like a lot, but one of the worst things that can happen to you in the Navy is you go to get your dry cleaning, it's $10, $20, whatever it is, and then you go out a week later, dress whites hosed again, mustard, ketchup, coffee, freaking fruit punch, whatever, down your lapel. You can't wear that, so. Usually you roll out to a deployment with 2 dress white uniforms. Bring the clamps, man. I'm telling you, that'll save your butt. Save you money. It's a little work with scrubbing, but who cares, man? Put it in one of the lockers or some sort of storage locker. Let it drip dry, and you got yourself some crispy white uniforms. They work for your dress blues as well, but your dress blues hide a lot, so you don't need to clean them as much. But those dress whites, when you show up to salute your country, you better have them tight and right, If not, you can't call yourself an American. And there you have it. Full tilt, pro tip, full hack. It's gonna save you money, it's gonna save you time, and your chief's gonna think you're shit hot because you always show up to muster wearing that clean, mustard-free uniform. All right, signing off from Mexico, the jungle. See ya. This flower.
That's all it's supposed to be.
Dagger. Dagger.
They're not
flower.
supposed to be like this.
No?
No, they're supposed to play
Flare? So you want flare?
Look how little yours is and look at this.
This is tight
It
and
looks like
This
shit.
is saying I got big fucking.
Y'all are some.
no. This says, hey
This says
guys.
I tied my own knot.
Hey guys, I'm not tough. This says, I'm gonna stick you with a knife.
This says I look like a bitch.
1, 2.
Oh, you guys are tough. Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, these are good. Oh my god.
Look at the stance there. Right? Facebook. Get that Facebook.
Go, Benny. Okay.
Hey now.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Go ahead, I'll take one.
Oh no, I don't want one. I'm good.
You sure not? So.
Oh my god.
Come on now.
You don't want us in there.
Do I stand like this to the side?
Well, if you're I'll stand strange side. He's taking pictures, but he doesn't have a card in there. I left it out.
As we leave from today, bless us and